Hi there, I'm Carrie Lawless, and today I have an adorable, completely remodeled 2-bedroom, 1-bath home to show you in Hammond. This beautiful home is situated on a full acre of land and is so private at the end of this road. There is so much to see inside. Let's go in and take a look. This home has so many wonderful features. So starting with the floor plan, it's just so functional and so open. Really helps add to the spacious feel of this room. I love that the walls are this very soothing neutral gray color, and there's even crown molding. That little touch really helps elevate the space. Now we're moving into the kitchen. It has this lovely 3-centimeter granite dark countertop, and then the beautiful white painted cabinets. It has stainless appliances, and then a very nice peaceful view right outside of that kitchen window. Okay, still lots more to see. Right off of the kitchen is this conveniently located laundry room. So not only is there plenty of space for your washer and dryer, but this room is absolutely huge. It offers so much additional space for storage. All right, still lots more to see. Right off of the hallway is this charming bathroom. So it has a full-size stand-up shower with a modern sliding glass door enclosure. There's also this white vanity with the granite countertops. It's just light, bright, and airy in here. All right, let's go take a look at the bedrooms. This is the first of the 2 bedrooms, and there's a lot to love about this room. So there's a large double door closet here, spans almost the entire wall. There's this big double window, letting in lots of natural light and giving you a peaceful view of that tree line back there. And there's also crown molding, not only in this bedroom, but actually in the entire home. It really has such an elevated feel. Now we're in the second of the 2 bedrooms, and again, we've got that large closet. Another thing about this entire home is it is hard surface flooring throughout. So in here we have the wood look vinyl plank flooring. Another great feature about this house is that there's no popcorn ceiling anywhere. All right, still a lot more to see outside. I just love this front porch. I love that it spans the entire front of the home. It gives so much curb appeal. And then it leads us right to this concrete covered carport. This space is fantastic, not only for parking, but also great for entertaining. And the door right here leads us right into that giant laundry room that I showed you earlier. Now, the fact that this home is situated on an acre at the very end of the road offers so many wonderful options. This is a fantastic home. Make your appointment today. My name is Carrie Lawless.